How many people want to be on camera?
Hmm?
I said, how many want to be on camera?
You're live on YouTube?
Yeah.
How the fuck?
You know the fuck. You got me all the damn you got me all them
People?
subscribers. Got me live on YouTube. Yeah.
We're gonna start getting paid for all this content we're doing.
The video went up.
It's gonna just call, you see, we need to keep doing some more.
About 100,000 views right now.
All I knew was you showed me a bold number. I didn't know what it was for.
You weren't looking?
No.
What you were looking at? The video at the top?
Big ass number. That's all I was interested in, the number. And I don't remember the number either, because it says 9 something.
It was 95,000 right now. And they keep getting like.
So what you? Oh, okay. So that's the video uploaded on YouTube.
Right.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna eat them too.
not after I just write them off.
It's not normal.
Okay, I probably won't get this again, but not bad.
Now we know.
Right.
Now what would you rate this? They got the NNC, I don't think. This is what again? Chicken stew.
Mm-hmm. And yellow rice.
Chicken stew and yellow rice. Ooh.
Well, because I know how very good Puerto Rican food is.
Mm.
Out of what? Out of 5?
Out of 5.
I got
5 stars, 4 stars, 2 stars,
yeah.
2 stars. 2 stars, y'all.
I don't even know. But it's not bad. It's very good. It's seasoned well.
It's edible.
It's very edible.
Now we know we're not going to Rican Deli in Lakeland Square Mall. You got 2 stars. See? You gotta let people know. Gotta warn the general public.
Then that's what I do with smoke. Watermelon sugar. You can have it if you want it. If not, that's fine too. That was a go-to.
Yeah.
It's alright. I got.
Damn.